Hey, let's get real for a second. You've heard the saying, live broke, die rich. It's a catchy line, but it's really just BS. The real hard truth is that if you're living paycheck to paycheck, it's not because you aren't earning enough. It's because you've been sold a lifestyle that keeps you on a hamster wheel. This isn't about blaming you, it's about changing the game. The Kaizen philosophy teaches us to make tiny, continuous improvements instead of trying to overhaul your entire fire life in one financial life in one go. You start by simplifying and eliminating waste. This could be as simple as auditing your subscriptions or finding one tiny inefficiency in your spending. It's about taking one small action to get off the treadmill for good, so you can start building a life where work is optional in 10 years or less. Ready to start? Hey, grab your free Kaizen Kickstart checklist to help you simplify your life and eliminate waste. Click the link in the description to get it below. Thank you so much for watching. Boom.